Guys, welcome back to another video. Good morning. Me and my family are about to head out to Oregon for Easter, so stay tuned for all the videos that are going to be posted. We have service tonight, tomorrow morning, and tomorrow night, and then Sunday, and then we finally head back home. Yeah, you guys stay tuned, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in a little bit. That's a blooper.
It's stuck on you now. How do I make it not start?
If you're gonna vlog, stop wasting clips.
Look at that. Hit this truck.
We just got here. We're in where are we? What part of Oregon?
Woodburn, baby.
Woodburn, baby. No, but we just got here and we're at Nike. About to get me new forces. Marks and them about to get shoes. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
You did.
All right, let's go.
That's what you getting?
What are you getting?
You know, we're just gonna But you know about this man. Let me do you.
Yes, sir.
Let me see the crispy white. Nice.
Yes, sir.
And those are old ones, right?
Yep.
The one on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
No quiero ni ver. Something similar.
Also, remember, you need these shoes for church too, bro. Those forces, I know moms not letting you step out with forces, bro.
I'll just get Air Forces.
Alright, what's your size? 8? Oh, my bad, my bad.
Size 9.5 or 9.
Then get or black. Black. White right here.
Where? Alright. Yeah.
Show 'em.
Why don't you just get these? It's $60.
All right, guys, we just got our shoes. Now we're about to head to the hotel and see everybody. I think Shoreline and our church is at the hotel right now, so we're trying to beat traffic and hurry over there so we can check in and get some rest before tonight's service. Yeah. Shout out to my dad for paying for our shoes. I'll pay you back. But yeah. Now we're about to head to the hotel. Or get something to eat, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned.
Really?
Why everybody want to get
We're about to
Why everybody want to get the same
about to unpack and bring our stuff to the room.
It's different color.
We got like a couple hours before service, so we're just gonna get in our rooms, chill, relax
Hello?
before we get going. See you guys in a little bit.
Should I bring my ID?
Alright guys, welcome to my room. You walk in, you gotta, you have where a place where you store your clothes and hang up your clothes. And then we come out here, and we have 1, 2, 3 beds. This couch unfolds into a bed. We got a little, desk for, people, if you want to do your homework or read your Bible and all that. And we have an AC. And if you come, I want to sue this place because, what is this view? Like, we're cool, but yeah, it's my room. Maybe the next clip, you guys are going to go see Elston. But yeah, we're just going to relax for a bit. I think it's about to be 3 o'clock, so we're just going to relax for a bit. And then maybe around 5:30 or 4, 5, we might get ready and then head to the church. But yeah, happy Easter, happy Good Friday, and stay tuned for all the videos that are coming up this weekend.
We're down in Salem now.
Yeah. When you best has been there. That's right.
The sun is out and beautiful. It's a beautiful day here in Salem. Heading down for First Friday, Good Friday, on Easter Friday. Yes. This year's Easter celebration is going to be held a little further down in Salem. What do you call this place? That's the rest of the family right there. Alright. Bam. Let me show you what Salem looks like. Oh yeah. How far more? Oh. Alright, we're follow these cars going in. Turn right. Okay, some of the Chukis are right here. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, yes, this is the Chukis community.
Please don't tell me we're gonna go upstairs.
Okay, alright. Welcome to ICC Salem 2025 Easter celebration. Okay. Alright. Oh yes.
Alright guys, it's the end of the video. End of our Oregon Easter trip. This is our last day. We're just at a rest area before we hit the road again. But yeah, stay tuned for all the specials and all the preachings and the upcoming videos after this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the merch. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. And yeah, happy Easter everybody. See you guys in the next one.
to see fun if we see the kids. One of so really which of them so tapur and support for years we or any total family this week Tuesday we will be Carlo Surawasai. And this Noladic got the book somewhere and if you to give you my family and let me fell to give you eat baking. We say as mother and Philadelphia. The in this good one actually gave it every good. Like I said, it's the kids who want to buy at every good possible kids who take cash for the rent as Ariko. Or some it's so important that it's a good. Putting on rain, it ain't weak, so tell